Welcome to the House of Cars. Hello, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to the House of Cars, your ultimate source for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to a powerhouse in the luxury SUV segment, the Cadillac Escalade V long-wheelbase 7-seater. This iconic vehicle combines extravagant luxury with impressive performance, making it a standout in its class. Let's dive into what makes the Cadillac Escalade V long-wheeled 7-seater a must-have for any luxury SUV lover. Stunning design. The Cadillac Escalade V long-wheelbase commands attention with its bold and sophisticated design. The front grille, adorned with the distinctive Cadillac crest, is flanked by sleek, vertical LED headlights that exude modernity and style. The long-wheelbase model extends the already grand presence of the Escalade, offering more room and a more commanding road presence. With its sharp lines and muscular stance, this SUV is designed to impress both on the driveway and on the road. Luxurious interior. Step inside, and you're welcomed by an interior that epitomizes luxury and comfort. The Escalade V's cabin is a blend of premium materials and cutting-edge technology. Soft leather seats, real wood trim, and polished metal accents create an atmosphere of sophistication. The long-wheelbase model offers additional legroom and cargo space, ensuring a comfortable ride for all 7 passengers. The second and third rows are spacious, making long journeys a breeze for everyone on board. Advanced technology. The Cadillac Escalade V long-wheelbase is packed with advanced technology to enhance your driving experience. The dashboard features a stunning 38-inch curved OLED display that spans the instrument cluster and infotainment system, providing crisp and clear visuals. The infotainment system includes features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an intuitive navigation system. Rear seat passengers can enjoy entertainment on dual screens mounted behind the front seats, making it an excellent choice for families. Powerful performance. Under the hood, the Escalade V is powered by a robust V8 engine that delivers thrilling performance. With over 600 horsepower, this SUV can accelerate swiftly, making highway merges and overtaking a breeze. The advanced suspension system ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, while the all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction and stability in various driving conditions. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets, the Escalade V offers a dynamic and engaging driving experience. Safety and driver assistance. Cadillac has equipped the Escalade V long-wheelbase with a suite of advanced safety and driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies work together to enhance driver confidence and ensure the safety of all passengers. The Escalade V also features Super Cruise, Cadillac's advanced hands-free driving technology, which allows for a more relaxed and enjoyable driving experience on compatible highways. The Cadillac Escalade V long-wheelbase 7-seater is the epitome of luxury, performance, and advanced technology. Its stunning design, luxurious interior, powerful performance, and cutting-edge features make it a standout choice in the luxury SUV market. Whether you're looking for a family vehicle or a statement of personal style, the Escalade V delivers on all fronts. Thank you for tuning into the House of Cars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the Cadillac Escalade V long-wheelbase 7-seater. Until next time, keep driving in style and stay safe.